Ano ba?
Malayo kasi.
Okay lang naman guys. Ganyan na lang.
Mag-away kayo sa live, ha?
Naka-live na kami.
Hello!
Hello!
Wala.
Ba't ang tahimik niya mag-
Nagbe-filter.
Wait lang. Wala pa yung
Nagbe-filter
audience
kami. Hello!
Teka lang, meron tayo. Parang...
Hello everybody.
Yung phone ko,
Welcome to our live. Mag-hi
So,
ka.
ano gagawin? Hi
Mag-hi
guys.
ka.
Hi guys. Patay na ako.
Ito na lang.
Yan. Para kita mo natin.
Okay. So, did you guys know that last night, was it last night?
2 nights ago?
2 nights ago, Harvey died.
Yeah. Wala na si Wesley, tulong.
At least di ako patay. What would you choose? What would you choose between Wesley and Nikki? Would you choose to die or would you choose to be in jail for a little bit of your life? Diba?
Hindi, for life yun.
Watching from Singapore. Hello po, Singapore.
Wow, Singapore. Fan ako since GB days. Wow.
Kuya Jed.
Thank
Kuya
you.
Jed is here. Hi, Kuya Jed. I think between the two, I would rather be Nikki stuck in jail.
Okay na ako kay Wesley. At least tapos na yung suffering niya. Ito kasi yun. Pag nakakulong ka, ang tagal ng suffering mo. Diba?
No. I
Yeah.
can do good work so that I could get out of jail. I can...
Anong work magagawa mo sa
No, diba? No, wait, they do that in jail kaya. Where,
No,
like,
no, but
if you
that's
clean, if you do
Okay.
good deeds, you can lessen your
But that's
time.
like 5 years.
To less my time.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not
At
lifetime.
least kay Wesley wala na. Tapos na yung, di ba?
Patay na siya.
Settled na.
He never got to live his life. He was not given a second chance to live his life. Ako may second chance pa ako to live my life.
Ba't ba tayo nagde-debate? Sila yung tinatanong natin eh.
Nikki is not my favorite character, but AC is my favorite. Aww. At least buhay. Oh, see? So, between the two, sinong pipiliin nyo? Si Wesley or si Nikki? Go.
Ako, Wesley.
Choose wisely. If you don't choose right, we're
Lipad
gonna
lang
end
si
the
Wesley
call.
bago namatay.
Lipad?
Yeah, lipad. Dapat siguro. Kasi diba yun yung plano? Lilipad. Kami. Iwan ka dito.
Diba you're gonna fly?
Lumipad na nga si Wesley.
Ay, give me one. Ano ba?
Hindi mo kasi pwede pakita yan. Si Nikki
Okay, so far
Wesley.
you have 1,
I have 2.
1, 2. I have 1, 2, 3.
Ilan yung sa akin? 3 na yun.
Wesley, pero now Nikki, 4.
Okay. Oh. Ilan
Are
yun?
you
4.
counting?
Yeah, 4.
Oh, I'm counting for you?
No, 4 for me. Shout out to Vancouver.
That's me.
Shout out
Hello,
Vancouver. 5 Wesley.
5, Nikki.
5 Nikki. 6 Wesley. 6 Nikki. Nikki.
Uy,
sana,
walang
pero
ganyan.
Wesley nakawawa.
Walang
Hindi,
ganyan.
hindi,
Hindi,
counted in
kasalanan
7.
niya.
7
Kasalanan
Wesley.
niya.
7
7
Wesley.
Nikki.
Hindi ko
Nikki's
favorite. Ikaw favorite kita.
8.
O favorite ka daw ni ano. Ni
Hi, Jasmine.03. Favorite din kita.
Hello, Harvey from Kainta. Hey.
Nikki, because the actor, she's my crush. 8. 8 na ako.
Okay. Guys, come on. Thank you, Grace. Si Salvosa. 8. 8 na rin ako.
Good luck!
Yes.
That's TikTok. That's TikTok.
Naka-filter pa rin tayo.
No, that's TikTok.
Thanks for the roses.
No. 9.
9-9. No. 10, Wesley. Okay na yung voting. Panalo si
Look,
Wesley.
tigilan mo.
Panalo si Wesley. Dapat
Pipiliin
poll eh.
ko anak ng mananayaw.
Anak ng mananayaw.
Ay,
Anak na.
Wesky. Wesky? No.
Uy, siblings yung dalawa. Huwag kayo. Thanks for my inspiration. Agad ako si Alice.
Guys, ask us questions. Come on. Let's hot seat RV.
Magdadalang naman siya sa patrol.
Ba't ako lang? Live natin dalawa.
Live ko to. Wait, goes. How do you pick other filters? Ay!
Rar. Rar. Ay.
Sinong gano'n?
Nikki.
Nagsisisi ka ba sa ginawa mo? In character dapat sagot. In
No!
character dapat sagot.
Magaling suot niya yung ano ka.
Wait, di ba ganun yung eksena mo? Nakaganon ka. Oo nga! Di ba nga? Di ba nakaganon ka? Di ba? Tama mali. Hindi siya nakaganon.
I don't like to do this with you anymore.
Gawin natin to.
I don't
Joke
like.
lang. Joke lang. Joke. Peace. What's your... Sige. Live na daw to ni AC.
What's your next project after High Street?
Secret. Secret nga, di pa nga na-announce eh.
Long list.
Pwede na naman sabihin. may gagawin kami dalawang movie, guys. It's an adaptation. Isn't that right?
What do you like in each other?
As AJ and Harvey.
What do you hate in each other? Okay, go, answer.
You answer first.
No, you answer. Go.
As AJ.
Pero yung dapat makataas yung...
Wala akong maisip guys, ang aga pa. As AJ, I like how you dance. I really do. I like how you dance. And how energetic you are, AJ. Ikaw,
Ano?
what do you like about me?
Yuck.
Yun yung sagot eh.
Your jacket. You have cool jacket.
Wow, thanks.
And then what do you hate?
Ikaw muna, uli. Hindi ko muna. Sumagot ka muna. Ikaw muna. Hindi ko muna.
Go.
Sige. Tatakot ako sa mga tanong nyo guys ha. Live to ha. What do I hate? I hate when you don't dance.
Hindi pwede.
Oo nga.
Hindi pwede.
Kaya
Hindi
dapat
pwede,
laging
hindi
sumasayaw
pwede.
ka.
Hindi pwede.
I hate when you're sad.
Sagutin mo na maayos.
Yun nga yung sagot ko.
Nagtanong sila na maayos. Sumagot ka na
Sumasagot ako
maayos.
ng ayos. I hate when you're not happy.
That's the same.
I hate when you're down. Ay, ikaw, what do you hate about me?
Oh, no.
Ang dami na itong sagot dyan. Uy,
What
as a
I-
person, hindi pwedeng jacket ko.
Okay, I like your ears.
Thanks. Thanks. Uy, ugali daw ng isa't isa, not material things, sabi ni June Riggs.
Ugali, you said dance. Is that my ugali?
Oh, yun nga, sabi ko, I like when you're optimistic. Oh.
That's not what you said.
Ugali ba
You
yun?
said I like your dance.
Hindi, tapos sinabal ko with, I like, sige yun na lang. I like when she's optimistic.
Okay. I like when you are...
Dressed na yun.
I like when you are...
Corrupt na coke.
I like
Parang
when you...
nahihirapan to mag-isip.
Nahihirapan ta. What about we ask them, what do you hate?
Yung like muna. Yung like kasi hindi. Hampas na sana kita yung sabi.
I like when you smile with your teeth. Smile with your teeth. Okay. I hate...
Watching from LA, Lower Antipolo.
Yung gano'n na parang
Hindi ka funny.
Tawa. Hindi kasi nakasulat sa
Ars, hindi ka funny.
Nakakatawa kasi.
Hindi ka funny. Okay, what you answer properly.
I have answered properly.
Know the what you don't like.
What I don't like, I don't like when you're not optimistic. Nga.
That's not
I don't like.
fine. I don't like it when you don't smile with your teeth.
Sige, I don't like it when. I don't like it when.
11-11.
11-11. Beautiful. Ba't wala si AC kanina?
Sagutin mo. Sagutin mo. Sagutin mo ba't wala ako kanina sa GMP?
Kasi grabe yung traffic. Ako din naman malilate na rin sana ako. Pero kasi grabe yung traffic. And we can't do anything about traffic. Uy, di mo pa sinasagot.
Hindi mo pa din sinasagot.
kasi may big news.
I hate when...
Hindi, may big news sa Friday.
When...
Hindi kinakasin nito sa iyo. Okay. Pero hindi alam.
Sagutin mo.
I hate it when you're...
Bigyan natin tayo.
Wala kasi ako mais. I hate it when you're upset. I hate
It's the same thing as
sige.
when you're not optimistic.
Hindi, sige. Ikaw muna. I hate it when you're... Pag inaapi ka. Nila, Tori.
That's Nikki.
Sige. I hate it when... Pag iniinis ka ng mga tao. O, pwede yun. Iba na yun. Iba na yun.
Like who?
Iniinis ka na. I hate it. Oh,
Okay.
ikaw.
What I hate about you is when you... Dapat may sound effects tayo dito.
Oh, ngayon parang sa, showtime.
Sa showtime.
Ganyan.
Bawal na nga.
What I hate about you is when you switch your brain off.
When I switch my brain off? When do I switch my brain off? When do I switch my brain off?
Kaya yung pinaprod.
When you died in High Street?
You hate when that happened?
When you died?
Yeah.
No, I hate when you switch your brain off.
So why did you mention when I died in High Street?
Because that's a moment where you switch your brain.
Brain off? Oh my guys, nakita niyo ba yung mukha ko nung namatay na si Wesley?
Why are you swiping like that? Guys, tatagalan...
Sige, go.
Tatagalan na lang tayo ng 1 million years dito. Hey, at least
At least
sumagot
sinasagot
kami.
kami. Sinasagot kami. At least sumasagot kami. So hard.
Next question na lang ulit. Okay, guys. Next question. Next question.
Baka may question sa baba.
Okay. Hi, I
Sibling
asked for
vibes.
AC. Ano ba yung magiging ending mo sa scene in High Street? Anyways, pa-shoutout po from 13 Martires, City, Cavite. Hello po. Love you both and God bless sa inyo ni Harvey. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Please, I think to answer your question, watch the last 4 days of High Street, the final destination. Wesley, multuhin mo si Tori.
Sabihin mo mag-stop na siya. Stop. Mom!
Stop!
Mom! Stop it! Ay! Hi, Tapam.
Hi, Tapab! I think you can ask questions here, see? Ano thoughts niya na magkasama na naman kayo?
Sa 4 Bad Boys.
Honestly?
Pwede ba to? Pinopromote natin na street eh.
Okay. Bye. Ayaw ni Harvey.
Hindi, I'm just asking. Hindi, sige, sagutin na natin.
Hindi, okay lang.
Sagutin
Okay
na
lang.
natin.
Kung ayaw mo, okay
Hindi,
lang.
sagutin na nga
Okay
natin.
lang. Hindi ko din sasagutin to, okay? What's your favorite drink right now?
Ooh.
Uy,
That's a joke.
Favorite. Sagutin na natin.
Sige, go.
Such a hater. Here, answer this.
Nakita ba kayo ni Obet? Yeah. Nung nakita ko ni Obet sa Heaven, binugbog niya ako agad.
Isn't that weird na you're obsessed with Sky, pero Sky is technically in love with Obet?
Yeah.
Doesn't that piss you off? That even in heaven, you still don't get her?
I mean, may Luna. May Luna naman.
Oh my God!
I think that's good enough for us.
Oh my God! Basta same lang yung mukha.
Basta same lang yung mukha. Ano favorite niyong scene?
Anong favorite niyong scene? Together?
Yeah, I think
Let's do together.
either together or...
Favorite scene together? I think the one where I can... Ay, papuntahan ka.
Parang tagal kasi ng ano mo eh.
Are you in a rush? Buong
Hindi
araw
naman.
yung promo natin.
Hindi naman.
The one where I confront you about Sky.
Yung ano, ganun.
Oo.
No! You want a mom! Ganun. Favorite ko yung confrontation scene natin with Mamay. Nung sinampal ako. Yeah.
In the office.
Yeah, dun sa office. Sinampal ako sa office.
Yeah, you were prepping for that.
We gotta go.
Wesley, galit ka pa ba
Pa ba kay Kenji?
I feel like you date Kenji.
Malay mo, confused lang si Wesley.
Yes, going through it.
Right?
Yes. For Harvey,
What is...
most unforgettable moment seen in High Street. And magkakaroon ka po ba ng next project kung sakali man? Thanks.
What is the most unforgettable scene? Siguro... I think for me, for Wesley, yung reveal ng altar niya kay Sky sa loob ng closet niya. I think yun yung pinaka, I think...
The reveal
Yun yung reveal
to Sky?
No, yun yung reveal to the audience.
Okay.
Na he has a photo of Sky. Kasi I think, in a way, parang iconic yun sa character ni Wesley. Specifically. Not sa buong show.
That's
pero sa
what
character
made
ni
you
Wesley.
weird.
Yeah. Yun yung unang parang tikim ng audience na parang, okay, there's something wrong with this guy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Tapos kung may next project ako, yes po, magkasama na lang po kami.
Happy birthday, Venice Vicente.
Venice
Happy
Vicente.
16th birthday.
Hey, happy 16th. Alam mo, I'm so proud of you. Sorry. And lahat ng accomplishments mo. I've known you since you were this small. Tumawa ka naman. Tumawa ka naman.
But that's supposed to be funny. I thought you were...
Harvey, you're the best.
Shout out po, Dubai!
Dubai!
You're going too far back.
Wait lang, wala pa naman. Oh, AC, ikaw naman.
My favorite scene from High Street, I think it was... I really like my scene with Attorney.
Interrogation.
No, with
Interrogation.
Attorney, where he was like, I can't help you.
Di ba sa finale yun?
No, pinakita na talaga.
Pinakita na ba yun?
Hindi ka nanonood ng High Street, no?
Hindi
nanonood ng High
Guys,
Street!
Guys, hindi.
Pinapanood mo lang sarili mo, no?
No. Ikaw, nanonood ka High Street?
Oo.
Wow. Ano episode last night?
Hindi, kasi nanonood ako on I1. So, di ba, we're 2 episodes ahead on I1.
So, ano yung
we're
episode
not
na
the
pinanood
same.
mo?
We're not the same as what's on TV. Yeah.
So, ano nga yung episode na pinanood mo?
The Final Destination. Last 4 days na tayo eh.
Sa nga pala guys, you can stream High Street 48 hours before on I Want.
48.
Yeah.
Finale na bukas sa I1.
Ay, finale na pala bukas sa I Want. Do you want? I want.
That was so bad.
Wala kang tumawag. Guys naman, a favorite ship from High Street. Honestly, I like Kenji and Wesley.
Me too.
I like Kenji and Wesley. There's a lot of tension. There's a lot of...
So, parang parehas kayo ng kinks. Uy, totoo! We've had this conversation.
Yeah. I mean, okay, sige. May site si Kenji na ganun. And nahuli nga ako ni Nikki, diba? Looking through yung site niya, no? Hala, finale na pala. Nag-skip na ako sa mga short clips kasi. Huwag ka na mag-skip. Panoorin mo na yung buong episode sa I Want. 48 hours in advance. She's smiling at the...
Wait. Mamaya na yan.
Hi, Jillian Ferrer.
Ha ha ha. Bakit kayo tumatawa? Morse.
Mars?
How did you click with the first season? Were you a fan of Senior High as well?
I was.
I was also. I was into the theories of the fans.
Yeah.
Yung mga CCTV
Yeah.
shots nila.
Yeah, you know, it was cool kasi Senior High had this account on Twitter. Ano yun? Pangalan yun? Northy?
Yes.
Si Northy. That was so cool. I was a very big fan ako ng pag maganda yung marketing ng show or ng movie. Tapos parang dinadala nila sa SOCMED. As if parang in-universe siya. And yun yung ginawa nila with Northy. So that was very cool.
I was a fan of the show, obviously because of the concept and everything, but also because my friends are in it. Kyle was in it, Jella was in it, Blythe was in it. So it was really cool to see that after being with Blythe also in Lyric and Beat and see doing different things with them. And then this was a show na parang pinag-uusapan talaga nila matagal na. So everyone was very excited to do it.
Mm-hmm.
It was cool.
Tapos nakapasok pa tayo. Which is...
Yeah. What are you asking here?
Hi,
Hi,
Baba
Baba
G!
G!
Ako lang.
Ay, sorry. Restart. Go.
Isa pa.
Go.
Sorry. Hi, Baba G! Up until now, di ko pa rin alam kung sino si Northy.
Kami din. Malamang.
Di ba ano lang yun?
Huwag ka na mag-joke. Magjo-joke ka.
Hindi nga! Seryosong sagot to!
Huwag ka na mag-joke. Hindi na mag-work.
Seryoso nga!
Nakita ko sa mukha mo, hindi siya mag-work. It won't work. Say hi.
Hi, Jimlet. Hi, Jimlet.
Buhat si Wesley.
Buhat si Wesley.
Nikki and Wesley.
Hala, I didn't record it. Okay, one more.
Character na gusto niyo i-portray sa High Street.
Ako, Gino.
I want to
No,
try... I want to try Sai. Ay, Sai.
Cyril.
Si,
Roxy.
Roxy.
Si Roxy. Ako, Gino. Ang ganda ng art ni Gino eh. Like
Yeah.
yung personal art niya with his mom. Tsaka yung parang conflict niya na tatay niya si Gov. Ganon. Very cool.
True, true. Go, you have to make kwento.
Harvey, mamamatay
Hey,
na
we have
ata ako.
62 viewers. Hello, 62 viewers.
Hello, 62. Taas pa natin yan. Taas pa natin.
Mag-host ka, go.
Okay,
kaya mo.
papakita ko sa yung hosting skills ko. Hello po. Ngayon kasama natin si AC Bonifacio.
Introduce me.
Hello, hello everyone. Hello everyone, Harvey Bautista here. Kasama ko ngayon si AC Bonifacio.
Yeah!
Kamusta naman? Kamusta? Yeah! Come on! Welcome to High Talk.
High Talk.
High Talk.
Speaking of high talk,
Speaking of High Talk.
12 nun kay later.
Kami?
Oh,
Later?
Our
Oh.
High Talk episode will be showing up at 12 noon later. Me, Harvey, and Ralph.
Yeah.
So please come watch us.
Yeah. Kung di nyo po alam, ang High Street is yung parang closing show namin bago mag-wrap up yung High Street.
We just talk about the show. And it's kind of like we have questions within the cast for each
Yeah.
other.
Yeah. Yun lang yun. It's just the cast talking with each other and just hanging out. Actually, ang saya nga eh. Shooting the whole thing was really... Shooting the whole thing was really fun. Ayoko na.
Oh, ayaw mo na?
Ayaw na.
Ayaw na?
Ayoko na.
Ayaw na?
Pilitin mo. Chicks ako eh. Pilitin mo ako.
Okay. Pag talaga ako napansin ni Harvey, gagawin ko na lahat ng gawain ko sa school.
Sige, huwag mong gawin. Kasalanan niya ni AC kung ba't di mo gagawin.
Wala akong sinasabi. Di mo siya pinapansin. Snob ka talaga.
Wow.
Pansinin mo. Pansinin mo.
Wow, talaga.
Pansinin mo.
Hi, Niana, 14.
That's my best
Yeah.
friend. Kailan po kayo naging friends? Di po kami friends.
Hindi kami friends. Contractually lang to.
This is just acquaintances. We're
Yeah.
just acquaintances.
Tsaka nasa kontrata kasi namin na.
Ng high
kailangan-
street na
yeah.
kailangan po ganito. So after 4 days na lang. 4
Yeah,
days
4
na lang.
days.
And then we
Tas-
don't have to be friends
Yeah.
anymore. Buti naman. Nakapagod din eh.
Nikki and Wesley, you're so rude to Skylove Cruz. You know what?
Good.
You know what she did?
You know what? That's the point.
You know what she did
If you didn't notice,
to my dad?
we were trying to ruin her life.
You know what she did to my dad?
What did she do to your dad?
Hindi, kasi witness. Hindi, tama naman kasi yung ginawa ni Sky. Malida naman talaga yung airpod ko.
Yung ginawan.
Yeah. May movie kayo kaya extended ng contract.
No, wala sa contract doon na kailangan maging friends.
Yeah. Yeah.
I didn't LOL.
I didn't LOL.
Yeah, magkasama lang naman kami.
Yeah. Pagod ka na ba? Pagod ka na, no?
Sa'yo?
Yeah.
Ay, wag ka na yung tanong.
Pagod ka na?
Pagod ka na?
Kaya pa. Kaya pa i-push. Ano ba? Dalawa yung pa ako.
Dalawa din pa ako. Ano?
sige,
Isa lang
tara.
pa ako. Hoy, trabaho ka.
Kung unang nanulak eh.
Ano ba? Happy birthday, Venice Vicente, again.
Oh, happy birthday, Venice Vicente. Habang nasa class,
Huwag kang mag-alala, Wesley, hindi ka nag-iisa. Busted kay Sky. Sino papasted kay Sky? Si Gino? But they kissed.
Si Obet?
So sad. Kasi, love niya talaga si
Si
Obet.
Obet. Oo.
Wow.
Yung love niya si
That's so-
Obet.
Even when Obet is gone, love niya pa rin.
Mm.
Feeling ko na ubos social bat ni Harvey kay AC.
No. Kayang-kaya. Kayang-kaya. If anything, mas parang nare-recharge yung social battery ko. Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy!
Are you
Are you
brother,
brother and
sister?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's my homie.
Our dog.
My dog. My mans. Sorry, wala namang gaanong ginagawa.
Did you call me your
Yes.
man?
My mans. Wesley, bagay sana kayo ni Sky.
Actually, like height-wise,
Binasted niya ako eh. Kaya yun tuloy, hinabol ko sila sa parking, sa
I think it's
basement.
because you're too short.
Next question.
Kasi tingnan mo mga crush ni Sky. Obet.
Gino.
Gino.
Tangkad. Oh. Alam mo, nasa puso yan eh.
I don't think so.
Nasa puso naman yan eh.
I don't
Tama
think so.
mali, nasa puso yan. Diba?
I think Nikki and Sky talaga. End game. You know what? If you and your mom...
Kinalaman ng nanay ko dito.
Sorry. If you and your mom
Our
didn't...
mom.
Your mom didn't put on to me that I needed to get revenge against Sky, I think Sky and I could be best friends.
I think you would have fallen in love with each other.
I think maybe I would have fallen in love with
Yeah,
Sky.
not
But I don't
Sky.
think Sky would have fallen in love with me. But I really truly think that kami ni Sky, pwede kami maging genuine best friends kung wala to. Tsaka nanay mo.
Well, victim din naman si Wesley.
No.
Oo.
No.
Guys, yes or no, victim si Wesley.
Wasn't it your choice to be obsessed?
No, it was a compulsion.
But it was still your choice.
It wasn't a choice.
Did someone force it onto you? Na
No.
kailangan obsessed ka kay
No.
Sky?
Hindi nga pinakita nga eh, diba, nung ano. So, adopted ka nga ba talaga?
Ako po.
Yeah.
Yes po.
Nikki is adopted.
I am truly, truly adopted.
Si Kuya Harvey talaga crush ko sa senior high.
Nasa senior high ka
Nasa
pala.
senior high ako. In the back.
Ang galing mo
Ako
naman.
ganun lang si Wesley.
Kanina pa question ko. Ano po question niyo? Sorry, si Harvey kasi
Wow!
ingay. Nalungkot ako sa pagkawala ni Wesley.
Aw, thanks guys.
Dream role. Okay,
Okay.
go.
Unfortunately, we have to go. Very unfortunate. His obsession was choice. It's a condition! Kita mo? Naintindihan nila. Thank you. Thank you. It's a condition. He had to go to rehab. Wesley had to go to rehab. Thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
that was very fun. Thank you
Sige.
guys so much. Mamaya, mag-live po ulit kami sa TikTok
Yeah.
ng Dreamscape at 6
At 7.
at
6
6
to
to
7
7 p.m.
Mas matagal.
So mag-ready po kayo ng mga questions nyo, ng mga activities nyo. Tsaka magka-cap-chat po ako ng 4 p.m. po later. But we're also live in a bit sa One Balita.
Yeah. So transfer lang kayo dun guys and we'll see you guys there.
We'll see you throughout the whole day.
Yeah.
Bye!
See you guys. Thank you.